Today we are trying the flavors of the world in our snack crate box from Pensacola, Florida. Not a sponsor. Today, our mini food critics are going to be trying snacks from all over the world. They're gonna tell you what they think. They're gonna tell you if they like it, if they love it, if they don't like it, and what it tastes like. So let's give it a go. The first thing we are going to start out with is a chip. Wavy Lays from Vietnam.
It smells like birds. To me, it smells like cat or dog food. Yeah, it smells like cat food. No, it smells like dog food.
Taste it. Abel's already eaten one. First of all, is it good or is it bad or what? You give it a thumbs down? Thumbs down?
Good.
Medium? Bella thinks it's okay? Or good?
It tastes kind of sweet though. And then the flavor just dissolves away.
Well, you just had lobster with golden salted egg sauce.
What?
Yeah. Yummy. Y'all ate some of them, so it must not have been that bad. Next we'll go with something a little bit different. We're gonna go from another one from Vietnam.
It's like powder. It smells bad, but it smells like poop. It smells bad, but it tasted good.
You tasted it?
Yes. I think I'm smelling pickle. Yeah, it smells like pickles.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's definitely smells like pickles. It also smells like the dentist. This stuff is kind of like spicy. Yeah.
Dip it in.
Good. It's kind of spicy.
Abel, what do you think? You like it?
Spicy.
It's spicy? So that was our trip through Vietnam. That's all we had from Vietnam. We're gonna move to another place. Since Belle needed a little bit of a drink, we'll skip to
I do
the drink. This is a drink from Egypt, like an Egyptian soda.
Belle, Hazel, and me are thirsty. Smells like a type of fruit.
Yeah?
Yeah. It kind of smells. No, it smells like grapes.
Grapes?
It tastes like Sprite. It's kind of like fizzy water, like those flavor waters.
It's a mixed fruit flavored berry soda. Next, we have a sweet treat. This is called a chow tao from Egypt. And open them. It's on your plate.
It's like an Oreo. Yeah, it looks like a marshmallow. There's marshmallow. What it looks like is that the white stuff could be like coconut or something.
Give it a taste.
I thought it should be good. That tastes like chocolate too.
Chocolate?
I feel like it's chocolate and the white stuff's marshmallows.
Yeah.
No, the inside's a marshmallow.
Yeah.
Right off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a tao tao or a taw taw, and it's a biscuit, which is a little bit of crunchiness in there with marshmallow. How was that one? Is that one pretty good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up?
So far everything's awesome. 2. So far
Two thumbs up. Nice.
2. So far everything's up.
Egypt. Taking a tour through Egypt country. Open your eyes.
Whoa. There's white on the bottom.
Yeah.
Smells like chocolate. Like white chocolate.
Okay.
It smells like brown and white chocolate.
Okay. It's a middle texture.
It's No, it tastes like chocolate. The middle part tastes like chocolate too. I give it. I get a 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Next, we got a fun one. These are called Hatlo. Put them up.
What?
It's like an ice cream cone.
It looks like an ice cream cone or a unicorn horn.
Or a unicorn horn.
Yeah. Or rhino
Hazel's
horn.
just going straight for it. No unicorn horn for Hazel.
Outside it does taste like an ice cream cone. Outside it tastes like an ice cream cone.
These are Hatlo chocolate cones from Egypt. We've got the last item from Egypt, the Sneepo bar.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, yeah.
Marshmallow.
Caramel.
Oh, it smells.
Is it marshmallow?
It smells like. It smells like
Chocolate.
peanuts.
Peanuts.
It tastes like 2
Thumbs up. So maybe we want to go to Egypt for treats. It's a Sneepo bar filled with nougat, which is harder than marshmallows, chewier than marshmallows. Caramel with peanuts, and it's covered in chocolate.
I'm gonna save that one.
Let's move to Greece. We've got the Derby bar. All right, open your eyes.
Ooh.
Derby sounds like motorcycles. Or like chocolate, caramel, and it's gonna be something. It's good. It's chocolate, caramel, and coconut.
It's crunchy on the outside.
Yeah, crunchy on the outside.
And the inside it tastes like good.
Katarzinki.
Cinnamon.
It smells like cinnamon.
It smells like gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
It's just bread. Cinnamon. Soft. Hard.
Soft.
Yeah, kind of pillowy, but kind of a dense pillow.
It looks like a pillow.
Definitely gingery.
It's good.
That's like some
gingerbread.
straight gingerbread.
I give that a 2 thumbs up.
I give that a 2 thumbs up.
All right, that was our trip through Poland.
Let's
Go to Turkey.
Turkey.
This is popcake from Turkey. All right, open your eyes.
Bread. Oh, that's like banana pudding.
Yeah. What's next?
We have gisi.
Easy. And it is crackers.
Here. Let's try some. It smells like pizza crust.
You like it?
Smells like a certain seasoning.
Well, I give that
A middle. Abel's one up, one down. Abel's in the middle too.
a 1 thumbs up and a 1 thumbs down.
So a maybe.
I've liked
And
everything.
it's okay. Mexico.
Mexico.
Palotes. There you go.
Balotes.
It
smell anything?
smells like
gum.
No, it smells like marshmallows. And it tastes like bubble gum.
It tastes like bubble gum. I know what the flavor is.
What?
Strawberry.
All right, the last one.
Whoa.
Going to one of Belle's favorites.
Ooh.
A tangerine.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Okay. Smells like oranges. Smells like oranges.
What kind of oranges?
That That was hard.
Should we give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, middle, meh? The whole box, overall.
Okay, I like everything but this.
You liked everything but the strawberry.
I liked everything.
I liked everything.
I like and the chips.
You didn't like the pizza crust and the chips?
I like-
No, Hazel
Look at
has a sweet tooth.
Look,
I like
mine is this one.
I don't know what that is.
I liked everything.
Kind of middle up. Would you recommend it to your friends?
Who won
Yes.
So would you give it a 0? What number would you give it 0 out of 10?
9.5.
9.5.
100.5.
0 out of 10. You give it a 10? You liked it all?
I like all of it.
You liked all of it. 10 out of 10.
But not the gummy and the chips.
Not the gummy and the chips, but I liked all of it.
I give it.
So maybe an 8 for Abel.
I give it an 8.5.
8.5 for Hazel.
Who wants it? 9. I don't want it.
9.75.
Who wants it?
Great.
Thank you for watching.